Hi, I'm Helena, founder of the Urban Garden Companion, our multimedia urban garden design and plant platform, and today I want to talk about transplanting your plants in the fall. I call this section of my garden the bits of bed, as all the plants are either divisions or plants that were left over from jobs. They've all grown in so beautifully. It's getting a little crowded back here. I want to spread it out a bit and create more space around the plants. Well, I'm going to get started. I'll see you on the other end. Firstly, I dug up and transplanted the inkberry holly back by about a foot, clearing space for it to grow taller and wider. Next, I planted a rescued rose in the back corner, giving it plenty of room to fill in the airy spot, unencumbered by the plants. The lilies were transplanted closer to the wall, standing alone as a floral mass, with added support to grow freely in height without bending. I divided up the yarrow before transplanting, that way I'll grow compact opposed to leggy next season. I think this looks so much better. There's lots of space between plants now. The Russian sage gets to feature up the front. I do love this Russian sage. The kale is going to be cut back and eaten. The hydrangea is going to be cut back, so next year it won't be as full. The cohosh I'm leaving in place as it's only been in the ground for about a year, and I'll divide it or move it back next year. The yarrow is going to look great here behind the inkberry holly. It's going to give a floral top to the evergreens. And the lilies, of course, will get to grow to their full height. And this beautiful yellow rose, which I salvaged, grows to about 18 feet high. So it's going to cover the back section here and give me some privacy and blooms from spring to fall. And of course, this apricot rose up the front here gets a bit of space to bloom now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Helena, founder of the Urban Garden Companion. I really look forward to seeing you all here next time.